Hello one and all. Today we are going to see the concept of static variable in C++, the scope and lifetime of static variables in C++. The static variable in C++ is a variable which is declared with the keyword static followed by the data type. The static variable is allocated only one time, and this is used for the entire program till the lifetime of the program. Meaning, once the static variable is created, it exists till program executes. So the lifetime of the static variable is the lifetime of the program. Meaning, if you terminate the program, the static variable will be destroyed from the memory. The static variable is not associated with any object in C++. It is called as a class variable. The values of the static variables are updated, and the updated values are carry forwarded in various objects in a program. So let's go through the example. In this class, no is a normal non-static member variable and count is a static variable of type integer. Now we'll see how the different values gets updated whenever we give a call to a function through object. So display is a normal member function in which we are going to display the incremented value of no and count respectively. The member variable we have initialized to 0 using constructor, and the static variables are automatically initialized to 0. No need of explicit initialization is required for the count variable to 0. And if I want the other initialization value to the static variable, then it can be done at this particular line. Meaning, I need to write as integer demo scope resolution count equal to the initialization value from which I want to start this particular static variable. This display function definition is increment no, increment count, and display the incremented values. And the right hand side of the PPT shows the incremented values of no and count respectively in the memory map. So let's begin with the execution. Here the object is created d1. Once the object is created, the constructor gets called implicitly. Value of a member variable will be assigned to 0, and as we have seen, every object is associated with a local copy of member variable, and only once the static variable will be created in a memory. And this count is accessible to all the objects whichever you are creating in a given program. So d1 object is created. Using this d1, display is getting called. In display, we have incremented no1 and count by 1. So this is the memory map for d1.display. Now if you create one more object d2, and in the same way, suppose we have given the call to display function, then as we have seen, every object is associated with its own local copy of member variable no1. Again it is going to show 1, but count is now incremented to 2 because the updated value because of this d1.display is as it is carry forwarded, as the count is not local to any of the object. So this is one of the properties of the static variable, that count is not having a local copy with the distinct objects. Let's try with one more object. Suppose the third object we have created, and d3.display will increment the count from 2 to 3, but no is still 1. because D3 will have its own local copy of NO. So at the end of program, D1, D2, D3, these are the three objects which are existing in the program with its own local copy of member variable, or we can say a non-static variable which is having value as 1, and the static variable final value is 3. As you can see in this output, all the non-static variables are listed to the left hand side, and the static variable count is from 1 to 3. Static variable we need to declare, or the reference of this static variable we need to give outside the class also, because it is not belonging to a particular object. Meaning, even if the object is not existing, we can access the static variable if it is declared as public using class name. So the syntax for accessing the static variable or public static variable using class name is, in this particular example, it is demo scope resolution count. So to summarize, every object of a given class in a program has a local copy of non-static member variable. The static variables created only once, and the lifetime of static variable remains till the program terminates. The static variable declared in the class is also called as a class variable, wherein non-static variables are also called as an instance variable. For the particular instance, the local copy is maintained. That's why the non-static variables are also called as an instance variable, where, as we have seen through the programming example, the static variables created only once, and the reference we are giving outside the class also, so that the public static variables can be accessible without using object. That's why it is also called as a class variable. So this is all about the static variables in C++. Thank you for the day.